Don't press the button again. Yes. Can you say I love you, Carlos?
I'm sure.
Is that better?
Oh, that's the river, Dad.
Where'd you go? Where's Williams?
Ah!
Oh, there you are.
Hey!
Where's William? There he is. Do you want some lunch, buddy?
No.
Do you want to just keep wearing your chonies on your head?
Yeah.
Say bye-bye. Oh, hold on. You gonna wait? Bye-bye? Bye-bye. Okay, push the button.